there, I'm Natalie, and food is the way to my heart. How do you think Dennis won me over? Raise your hand if you love food. In this case, give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna show you the best food hacks and gadgets that will make your life more delicious. Hold up, I'm doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving one lucky subscriber an iPhone. To enter, just subscribe to become a part of the family, and that's it. It's that simple. I challenge you guys to get this video to 300,000 thumbs up. You guys are seriously the best when it comes to challenges, so I dare you to turn this to this by clicking below and give this video a thumbs up. I want to give a huge shout out to Anna for watching my videos. Thank you so much. So if you want a shout out in my next video, just comment below hashtag notification squad, and if you are here within the first 30 minutes that every video goes live, I might pick you. So make sure you're here early. Let's get on to the video. So this hack is specifically on how to eat more pizza than anyone else, plus eat it earlier. But first we're gonna buy the pizza, and I'm gonna show you guys my latest money-saving hack. I just wanna give a huge thank you to Honey for partnering with me on this video, because honey is sweet like honey, helping you save some money. Ooh. Okay, so I'm not even kidding. For example, I need a pizza right now. So the good thing about Honey is that it automatically finds hundreds of coupons, saving you that time and finds you the best deal. So for instance, on this Papa John's purchase, it gave me this code that it didn't just deduct one, not two, not three, but $4. My pizza went from $20 to $16. So it's basically free money. The best feature is you get to see how much the purchase is without Honey and then how much it is with Honey. It's super fast and easy to use. All you need to do is add Honey to your browser, type in joinhoney.com/Natalies Outlet to start saving money, and the best part is it's absolutely free and it only takes 2 clicks. I also recently used this on Amazon to buy a bunch of fun gadgets, and it used to be this much and now it was this much. It's beautiful. So with Honey, you'll always know you're getting the best deal and purchasing from the best seller, because it literally scans millions of coupons all over the internet to find you the best deal on anything you buy online. And my favorite part about Honey is it gives you special offers and rewards every single time. So make sure you join Honey today for free by clicking the link in the description below, or by going to joinhoney.com/Natalies Outlet. So while I'm waiting for my pizza and free delivery, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I'm gonna be doing a very special giveaway for you guys, which is gonna include all of my Natalies Outlet essential Polaroid, stationery, makeup, all that good stuff. Make sure you're following me on there. My pizza has arrived. Dun, 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 dun. This hack, like I said, is absolutely amazing, but we're gonna test it out and see if it actually works and if we can sneak away some of this pizza without other people noticing. So this is how it works. Got your pizza. So I'm gonna show you guys the science and idea behind all this. So this is your pizza, and it's typically split into 8 different pieces. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna create an X with this. We're gonna cut out an X, and what that's gonna allow us to do is eat all of that. So we're literally eating this and this. So you get 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces supposedly, and no one will notice, because at the end of the day you're just gonna combine all of them together and it's gonna look like your pizza is just a teeny bit smaller, but no one will even tell. We're just gonna go down. So you typically be doing this like behind the scenes in the kitchen. It's like, why would your friends make you wait for pizza? You gotta get a slice. We got this. Oh my god. This is one part of the X. So basically the idea is we got one part of it, now we gotta get the other part, and then we're just gonna close it all together, and that's it. I'm just gonna get this one. Pizza's beautiful, so no one will tell a difference. That's the beauty of it. So we got that piece, and we got the other part of the X. Now what do? We combine it. For my first time doing this, I would say I didn't do too bad, but would they be able to tell that I took a slice? They would probably be like, okay, this pizza is a little weird. If you're able to create a solid intersection, an X between all 8 pieces, I think it could look pretty promising. And then there you go, you literally have 4 amazing pieces. And we only got this for $16. Cheers to that. My rating on this is a 4. I think it's fabulous. It works. You gotta be sneaky with it, and you definitely have to know how to cut it right, but I wouldn't be tricked. I'd just look at this pizza and be like, wow, amazing. So these next gadgets are if you want your creativity to just let loose like a goose. Food is an art form, so it's not just about eating it, but creating really cool stuff. So I got these really amazing gadgets that allow you to decorate your food, create really beautiful things out of fruit. I've seen this one and it's super cute, so I'm gonna show you guys. And let's see if it works like it says it works. So basically you just scoop it in and take it out. That's it. Dennis's face. Isn't it cute? Is this cute or what?
So pointless.
No, it's not. Some people like their fruits to look cute. I am one of those.
Did you watch that?
It tastes better. I didn't, but it doesn't matter. It tastes so good. Honestly, can you imagine like that? This is really cute. I love it. I don't know what this one's for. I'm just gonna like stick it in and see what happens. It doesn't work. No, that's ugly. Not cute. Okay, I'm gonna try this big one. Oh, actually, this is just the scooper part. It's to scoop all this excess stuff. So I'm gonna create as many little balls of these as I want. This is quite beautiful. Come on, it's just free flow with creativity. All right, so I'm gonna use this to scoop all of this out and start creating beautiful things. This is pretty much like a scooper. Scooper-duper-duper. This is good. I mean, honestly, like for cute parties with your girls or your guys, if you're into like really cute fruit and decor, like this would be very time efficient. All right, so pretty much what this one does is it like helps clean it out so that you can start putting in your cute little balls. I've seen this done with like dragon fruit and it looks so cute. And unfortunately, dragon fruit is like not in season, or it's just not where I live right now, so I couldn't get it. But if you just do like cantaloupe, watermelon, and dragon fruit, it will look so cute. Here's a picture. All right, so I'm just gonna give a quick example of what this would look like. To be honest, it doesn't look that cute because there's not enough variety, but I love this product. My mom is gonna love this specifically because she loves inviting people over and doing cute little things like that. And to be quite frank, I think fruit tastes better this way, in small, cute little portions. I give this a 5. I love it, I recommend it, you should buy it. So this hack honestly just stunned me. I pinned it right away on Pinterest and I was like, this is amazing. If you like to live a sweet life and treat yourself every once in a while, this is gonna help you out. So do you know these types of sandwiches right here? These sandwiches are bomb. So you can actually make some at home. So all you're gonna do is take a little carton of ice cream like so, take some cookies. So this is our little sandwich, and then what you're gonna do, you can do this with like your friends, you can do this at slumber parties, at anything. You're gonna turn it around like so, and you're just gonna cut right through it. Now I'm just gonna cut right here, like so. Ta-da! So we got this. Remove this off. You're gonna place the first part down. You're gonna put your cookie right here. You're gonna put the ice cream on, and then you're gonna put the other one on top, and then all you gotta do is remove it. Ooh, I love this hack! Look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. You can make these for like your friends when they come over, get together after school, unhealthy snacks. You need some treats in your life. Straight up 5. All right, so this gadget really got my attention. It is called the butter knife magic. It looks a little something like this. It's a very fancy packaging. So it has different types of functions. It is a grater, a slicer, and a curler, whatever that means in your butter dreams. Technically, it's known for allowing you not to tear your bread. Congratulations, you are the proud owner of a butter knife magic. Thank you very much. It is fancy. I'm telling you, this don't feel like a toy. It is so fancy. Look at this. So there's different types. Here is the grater, the curler, the something. All right, we're just gonna test this out. Put this to the test. Especially if you're someone that likes cooking, culinary, anything like that, this is gonna work beautifully. I'm just gonna put some pressure down and slide. Not as crazy as the pictures. All right, let's do this again. It's like a workout. I mean, it's cute, but okay, you could also do it this way. My hands are buttered up. Ooh, pretty. That's nice. Put that on there. Let's see if it doesn't break the bread. It's not that great of a spreader. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. Oh God. Maybe we needed the butter to be a little softer. I mean, it works. It doesn't really spread well, to be honest. The reality is you will be messy. Unless there's a way to not have the butter sliding everywhere, I don't really see how this works. So I feel like I added a lot of butter. What do you guys think? My rating for this product is, I give it a 3. It does work. It's just, I don't understand how you're supposed to grab the butter. I'd rather go like this, that's it. I'd rather just do this. I don't need fancy butter. I didn't wash the knife. Butter hands. Next hack. This next hack is a little bit weird, but very much functional. A cute like little party thing that you can do with all your friends, even like a quick snack, a very elegant snack. All you're gonna need is a syringe. What we ended up doing is actually cutting up the top of the syringe so that we can push this thing through just like so. And this one is really, really simple. All you're gonna do is you are going to take any bread of your choice. You're gonna go like that. Oh, there it is. We're gonna take a piece of tomato, pop it through. Ugh. The internet always makes everything look much easier. Okay, there we go. That's the tomato. Then we're gonna take a cucumber, pop that through. Ooh, looking good. And then you can take any of like your favorite stuff, and I'm actually just gonna twist this around. It's gonna be cheese, a very greasy cheese, and ham. I'm gonna go down, grab some, that looks good. I'm gonna go back to the bread to close out the bread, and there you have your cute little sandwich. And then just taking a little skewer, you're gonna pop it through. And what do we have here? A cute little sandwich that you can put at parties for appetizers, or just simply take to work or school, whatever you like. It's really, really cute. You can add basil, you can add any type of spices to this, and I think it's kind of cute. Super easy to make, super fun to make. I give this one a 5. I really like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one. Woof, I am so full. Oh hey, if you enjoyed today's food hack video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also check out my last video right over here by clicking on it, where I show you some very annoying things. Subscribe to this channel by clicking on my face right over there. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. But wait, make sure you have notifications turned on by clicking on this little bell right here. That way I can see you twice a week. I want to wish you an amazing day. Don't forget to stay connected with me on my socials. I'm currently doing an amazing Instagram giveaway where I'm giving you my favorite stuff, Polaroid stationery and fun makeup. I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye!